Good morning everybody. Nice to see you all again. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Lasya and I am from grade 7th. Today my topic is about Rajendra Singh, a water conservationist. Rajendra Singh is a water conservationist from Alwar, Rajasthan, who is also known as the waterman of India. Along with the help of villagers in remote parts of Rajasthan and friends, that is non-government organization Tarun Bharat Sangh. He built johats and traditional earthen dams to collect from the community. 2 decades later, 8,600 johats and other structures have been built, which have helped more than 1,000 villages. Rajendra Singh won the Ramon Magsaysay Award in 2001 for community leadership. In 2015, he won the Stockholm Water Prize and known as the Nobel Prize for Water. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you for giving a wonderful audience. Thank you and have a great day.